everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing good. Before we move on with today's video, I would like to say some things. First of all, thank you so much for all the love and support that you have been showing me ever since I announced that I'm going to be taking a break from YouTube. It's been a rough time for me and I really wanted this break to take care of myself. And thank you so much for understanding. I have been getting messages on my Instagram page as well, and I'm very touched by your love. So thank you so much once again. And secondly, we are very close to hitting 100 subscribers, and I would like to take this time to thank every single one of you who's here on my channel. And thank you to all of you who have been participating in my videos, liking, commenting, sharing, sending me feedbacks, giving me suggestions. I really appreciate that, and thank you so much for being here. So in today's video, I created this makeup look which is for this upcoming Onam festival. So if you're someone who's celebrating Onam, then I wish you a very happy and prosperous Onam. Stay safe and celebrate well with your family. So I have kept this look quite subtle both on eyes and the base. So it is quite easy to recreate for you. And if you recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me on my Instagram page. I would love to see your recreations of this look. So without any further delay, if you want to know how you can get this look, then please continue watching. So I'm starting off with a freshly washed face, and the first step is of course moisturizer, and for that I'm going to use the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. Now that my moisturizer is completely set, and since I'm going for a very dewy finished look, I'm going to take my Honey Dew Me Up primer. I'm also going to set my eyelids using the NYX eyeshadow base. For the eye makeup, I'm going to start with my eyebrows today. So first I'm going to take this poly brush and run it through my eyebrows. So I have taken some dark brown eyeshadow in this pencil brush, and I'm just going to run it through my eyebrows in places where I think it needs some filling. So for today's eye makeup, all the colors are going to be from this Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette. So first, for my transition shade, I'm going to take this third color, which is a peachish pink. Using the same brush, I'm going to take the shade next to it, which is a cool tone brown, and I'm just going to apply it below my crease. Since the dark brown shade from this palette is not there, it came damaged, I'm going to take a dark brown shade from another palette, and using the same pencil brush that I applied for my brows, I'm going to take that dark brown shade and apply it on my outer corner just a little bit. We are not going for a smoky eye today, but just on my outer 1/3 to define my eyes. So going back to the first brush, I'm just going to blend all the shades together. For the lids, I'm confused between this shade and this shade. This is a white toned silvery kind of a shade, and this one is a rose gold. I don't want to go with gold. Probably I'll mix both the shades and see how it turns out. I actually look how both the colors turned out after mixing. So I'm quickly going to do the other eye and I'll be right back. As you can see, I did not add a lot of silver to this look. The rose gold is still seeing through and I've just added a pop of color using the silver shade. I'm quickly going to blend everything out. Next, I'm going to take this matte cream shade and I'm just going to apply it under my brow bones to highlight it. And I don't want to use a shimmery shade or my highlighter for it. Hence, I'm going with a matte shade. For the base, for the foundation, I'm going to take my Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. I'm in the shade 05 Warm Beige. For concealer, first I'm going to take the LA Girl Pure Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. This is my skin tone shade. So first I'm going to apply this. And after blending that out, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. This is one shade lighter to my skin tone. And I'm just going to highlight using this. To set my conceal areas in place, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. For today's look, I don't want a very sharp contour, so I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer and apply with a very light hand just to bring some warmth back to my face. And for blush, I'm going to take the Sugar Mini Blush in Peach Peak. today's highlighter, I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I'm quickly going to set my face using the L'Oreal Infallible Makeup Setting Spray. Moving back to the eyes, for today's eyeliner, I'm going to take the Inglot Gel Eyeliner in AMC 77 and I'm just going to try and do a very small wing. So I did this eye off camera and I'm just going to try and replicate the same wing on this eye. For kajal, I'm going to take the K Beauty's 24-hour kajal. I'm going to take a small pencil brush like this and dip it into this dark brown shade from the Tarte palette, and I'm going to set my kajal and also ever so slightly smudge it just a little bit. And for mascara, it is the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. For today's lipstick, first I'm going to use the Nykaa's Lip Don't Lie lip liner in the shade Pillow Fight. I'm going to line my lips and also fill it up with this lip liner first, and then go ahead and apply Nykaa's So Matte mini lipstick in the shade Bare Minimum. So this is the final look, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then please don't forget to leave a comment and also subscribe to my channels and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload my next video. I wish you all a very happy Onam once again, and I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.